So let's continue. All right. So let me share my screen. And here it goes. All right. So let's try to answer this activity. All right. So now here it says again, match the part of the human reproductive system to its respective function. So write the letter on your activity notebook. But in here, I'll just try to write beside its number item. All right. So number one, it is a narrow opening between the uterus and the vagina. What do
B,
you think? I'm
B,
sorry. B.
B,
All right. So let's try to check with the um illustration. Okay. So in here, let me try. Where is that? Okay. In this illustration, it says to be the narrow opening. Where is the uterus? Here, between the uterus part and the vagina part. So what is that narrow opening here? What is this part? Okay.
cervix,
Okay, cervix. So which means the narrow opening from uterus to the vagina is cervix, which is
cervix,
letter G. Okay, so this is letter G. Okay, next. Known as the birth canal.
vagina,
Vagina. Okay, very good. So E. All right. So next, number three. A sac-like structure that protects the testes. A sac-like structure that protects the testes.
it, it,
Okay, where is that? Let's try to check with the a sac-like. Where is that? Protects the testes. So here is the testes. Where is the testes? Here. So this is the testis, right? So what is the sac-like that protects with the testis? What is this part here? What is this part here, baby?
scrotum,
Scrotum. All right. So what do you think would be the answer?
scrotum,
Okay, very good. So this is scrotum. So let's go back to our activity. So where is that letter? D. Okay. So how about number four? Glands that produce sperm cells and the male sex hormone called testosterone. Okay, again, it is the glands that produce cells and the male sex hormone called testosterone. So what is that gland? What do you think?
S,
I'm sorry?
S,
Testes? All right. So in number four, it is the gland that produce sperm cells. What is that part that produce sperm cells? It is the
A,
testes. Okay. So at the same time, on the other hand, it also has the called testosterone. It also produces testosterone, okay? Which is testosterone is the male sex hormones, which is the number four is letter A, okay? So how about number 5? What do you think? What is the question? It says releases the egg cells and the hormones like estrogen and progesterone. What do you think is that? The part where it releases the egg cells. What's that? What do you think?
fallopian tube.
Mm-hmm. It releases the egg cells and the hormones. Let's try to check again with the illustration. All right. So here it says it released or produced, same like that, with the egg cells in the estrogen and progesterone or the female sex hormones. So here, where the part, the egg cells and other female sex hormones being produced, right? In this part here. So what do you call this part here?
O ovary.
Okay, very good. That's ovary. Okay, so what do you think would be the answer? Number 5, ovary.
O
It's letter J. All right. So number 5 is letter G. So its ovary releases the egg cells and the hormones like estrogen and progesterone. All right. So how about number 6? What is it? It is the external male organ with a tip called glans. What do you think? External male organ. Or it also be the part that deposits the sperms to the vagina. What do you call that part?
B
I'm sorry?
B
It's letter?
B.
All right, it's letter B. Okay, that's the penis. Again, in the illustration here, on the male's reproductive system, this is the external part of the male. Okay? It is the one called, or the other term is the glans, or it also serves as um, the part that deposits the sperms going to the vagina. Okay? So next item, number 8. Okay? Can you read number 8?
Tube that leads the egg cell from ovary to uterus.
Okay, what is that tube? From ovary to the
Fallo-
uterus.
Fallopian tube.
Okay, very good. That's fallopian tube, which is letter C. We still have number 7. Sorry. We might skip it. How about number 7?
This where the fetus develops testes.
Okay, what is that place where the fetus develops?
Uterus.
I'm sorry? Uterus, correct? All right. So it's the uterus. Okay, so that's correct. How about number 9?
A tube that stores sperm cells.
What is that tube that stores the sperm cells? Let's go back to
This
the I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
S
All right. So letter F. Very good. So how about number 10? What do you think? It is the passageway of sperm cells coming from the testes. What do you think would that be?
was different.
The passageway of sperm cells coming from the testes is vas deferens. All right. Letter H. Correct. Okay, so you're getting familiar now. You really studied during the break, did you? Okay, let's try another one. Let's try with another activity. Okay, so here let's try to fill in the blanks. Okay, so the instruction says fill in the blanks with the letter of the correct answers. So choose the words from the box below. So this is the box to where to which we will be choosing our answers, and then be able to identify the word being described. Okay. So how about number one? Let's try to answer number one. What do you think? It is a blank passage for both sperm and urine. So what do you think would that be?
urethra,
Very good. It's urethra. Okay. So here, urethra. How about number two? A place where fertilized egg develops.
uterus,
Okay, wow, very good. Uterus. Next, the male reproductive cell. What do you call that one? On the female side, the reproductive cell is egg cell. So how about on the male side? What do you think?
sperm,
Very good. It's the sperm cell. Okay, sperms. Sperm cells. Okay. So how about number four? Organ which produce egg cells and female sex hormone. It is the organ which produces egg cell and female sex hormones, or the estrogen and progesterone, right? For the female sex hormones, those are the, sorry, for the female sex hormones, those are what we have, estrogen and progesterone. So what are those? What is the organ in which it produces the egg cells as well as the estrogen and progesterone?
ovary,
All right, very good. That's ovary. You're doing great. Ovary. Okay, so how about number five? It holds the testes in place.
scrotum,
Okay, very good. Scrotum. So how about number six? Stores mature sperms.
epididymis,
Okay, very good. So how about number seven? Two words. Where the fertilizations takes place. It is where the fertilization takes place. Or in other, this is the tubes where the egg cells pass going to the uterus.
fallopian tube,
All right, very good. It is the fallopian tube. So sometimes the fertilization was happening on in this tube, all right, in this part. So this is the fallopian tube. So how about number eight? It is the passageway for menstrual flow and sperm. Passageway for menstrual flow and sperm.
cervix,
All right, it's cervix. Very good. How about number nine? Produces sperm cells and male sex hormones. What do you call? On the side of the female, it is the ovary, in which it produces egg cells and the female hormones, which is the estrogen and progesterone. On the male side, it is the part in which it produces sperm cells and male sex hormones. What do you call that one? That part. It is the
Testes.
yes, very good. It's the testes. Okay. So how about the number 10? It deposits sperm into the vagina, that external male part. What do you call that one?
Ano.
I'm sorry? What was that part that deposits sperms into the vagina? Or in other term, it is the external male organ with a tip that is called glans. How do you call?
Penis.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Here is the choice. Sorry. So we have done with sperm cells, urethra, uterus, ovary, cervix, fallopian, scrotum, testis, epididymis. So what do you think would be the answer on this part? It's the
Ano.
penis. Very good. Penis. Okay, so this is the answer on this part. Okay. So in this question, now form the hidden word using the letter inside the box in each number. The word is blank, which refers to the process by which organisms produce its own kind. What do you think would be the word? This is it again, it organisms produce its own kind or copying for the same kind like that. What was that? It's it's reproduction. Okay? All right. So it's the reproduction here. ONN. So that is the process by which organisms produce its own kind. Okay? So let's try to have one last exam here. Let's try to identify its part, okay? In this female reproductive system. Okay? Can you try to identify its part? What do you think would be the number one?
Uterus.
Uterus. Very good. Uterus. Okay? What is uterus?
Where the baby de-
I'm sorry?
develop.
Okay, very good. So number two, it is and actually yes, uterus is the place where the fetus develops. So how about number two?
Vagina.
Yes, very good. It's a vagina. So what is vagina?
The passageway of the sperm cell.
Uh, hmm? Passageway for the
Egg cell.
Mm, it is the passageway for the menstrual flow And sometimes during delivery, it will also serves as the passage of the baby. It will expand to let the baby pass. Okay. All right. So how about number 3? What do you think would be number 3? What part is this one? This is the narrow part between uterus and the vagina. How do you call that? This here, this part.
Pelvic.
All right. It's cervix. Cervix. Very good. What is cervix then?
Passageway of
Yes, it's a passageway for menstrual flow. It's also the passageway of sperm. Okay? Passageway of sperm from uterus. Okay? To the vagina. And it also be passage when it is during childbirth, it will expand to let the baby pass through. Okay? All right. So how about number 4? What do you think would be the number 4? What is this part here? Sorry. This part here.
ovary.
Okay, that is ovary. So what is ovary? What do you think is ovary?
Produce the egg cell.
Okay, it produces with an egg cells. And what are still? What other else they it produced?
Estrogen and progesterone.
Okay, it's estrogen and progesterone, or those are the female sex hormones. Okay, so how about number 5? What do you think would be this part here?
Fallopian tube.
All right, this is the fallopian tube. So what is fallopian tube?
Produce egg cell.
It is the pathway of the egg cell from here, ovary going to uterus. Okay, it is the pathway of egg cell from ovary to uterus. Okay, so here it pass here, it also pass in here. Okay, so again, fallopian tube, it is the pathway of the egg cells from ovary going to the uterus. Right? So that's it. We were able to identify the female reproductive system. Or any question about this part?
No.
I mean, no, so far, no. All right. So for today, we were able to identify or to define what is a human reproductive system. We were able to discuss as well the um, both male and female reproductive system and its parts with its corresponding parts and its functions. Okay. So you're doing great today. So thank you so much. So any other concern with regards to
No.
or for clarification? No? Really no. So
No.
if ever you need a copy about its definition of its parts, if you need a copy, I will send it to our chat box here on Zoom. No worries. Just let me know if you need a copy, okay? All right. So if you don't have any other question, so far that's all for today. And thank you so much, Mikael. So hope to see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow for our math lesson. Okay? All right. Thank you so much. Bye bye.